Good afternoon. Dan Moylan reporting with Market Movers for Tuesday, April 14th. It's a risk-on day today in the stock market with broad-based buying in all but the energy sector, which couldn't hold gains in the midst of another WTI sell-off. Tech and consumer discretionary sectors led the way, with the NASDAQ up 4%, while the S&P finished up 3.1% and the Dow added 2.4%. Today's strong performance leaves the NASDAQ with a 5% down for the year. The tech sector showed strength today, with many of the companies that led the bull market the last few years stepping in today to lead. Shares in Amazon and Apple both added over 5% for the day, with Microsoft not far behind, adding 4.95%. The chip maker AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, was up close to 8% after an analyst upgrade based on solid demand in the data center market. The financial sector managed a small gain in spite of gloomy reporting by JPM or JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, which set expectations for borrower defaults getting meaningfully worse due to the economic shutdown for coronavirus. Expect more of the same tomorrow and the rest of the week, with most of the major banks reporting this week. Tomorrow we'll hear from Bank of America, Citi, and Goldman Sachs before the open. Coronavirus news daily market mover today was optimistic on the flattening curves and regarding coronavirus new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths in the U.S. These numbers are creating optimism in the market. This will continue to be a market mover as we get closer to opening for business. The Wall Street Journal reported after the close, the US Treasury and the passenger airlines struck an agreement in principle on federal aid today. This funding is aimed at preventing layoffs in the industry and should support the airline prices tomorrow. American, Delta, United, and Southwest, all four plan on participating. We are still bullish growth stocks in the tech and healthcare sectors to lead the way in our economic recovery. That's it for today. Have a great evening and stay safe.